Hello, my friends. This is part 2 of Exam 1, and this is James Stoner, and I guess I'm only talking to one person, and not my friends. So, to begin, we have Beans to Brew sales data from about the past 5 years, almost 6 years now. This was the last 3 months or so, and this was the last 5 years. So, one of the first things that I noticed about maybe some issues, even though that I don't think there's much issues with this data because it is from Appalachian State students, which are the best students from probably the entire world. But some issues I could see, maybe some consistency in the prices. I'm not sure maybe if the prices were correct. A small coffee was shown as $2 and a medium coffee was shown as $2.25, which is a relatively small difference considering the size differential. This inconsistency kind of made me raise questions about the reliability of the data to just make sure some of the things that maybe kind of look like outliers are indeed correct. There are a couple missing rows in the data, which are okay because, well, some things are just missing. Data's not entirely clean. And then this inventory one didn't really make sense to me. I don't know, so I'll have to look into that one. Let's see, some anomalies in the data. Well, some ambiguity in the data. Some category names are ambiguous. For flavoring pumps, you might know. Oh, okay, so it does actually make sense. So one flavoring pump is vanilla, and it's connected to this transaction ID, which was an iced coffee, BYOM, whatever that is. So they got a pump of vanilla in there, so that does make sense. Other than that, I thought the raw data was, I mean, it's raw, but it's not that raw in the grand essence of things. So the quality was overall good. Okay, so let's go into our Tableau prep and go ahead and start this up. Oh, that's Tableau. Let's go Tableau prep. We're loading. Am I recording? Great, I'm recording. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect to our first data. We will connect to the other one later when we unionize it. Okay, great. We got our first sheet in there. Let's go ahead and get a cleaning step. And the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to, well, I want to create a calculated column on the time and make these all into military time. As you can see, it kind of loaded in with some weird time, but we're going to fix that and turn this 2:30:41 p.m. into 14:30:41 p.m. and just make it easier to read. So how we're going to do that is go into here, create a calculated field, custom calculation, and then we are going to use this formula, and then time 12. Great, 2 errors. Closing parenthesis. Oh, there should be one right here. Okay, valid. And we're going to call this transaction time. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And here you go, transaction time. And here you can see a little around 10:46. The 11 o'clock class really busy there. It's kind of interesting. And before 9:30 gets kind of busy. And then as the day goes on, people don't want as much coffee. Anyways, then let's get rid of this time field. And now we have this beautiful calculated field here, cleaning with the data. Other than that, I didn't see much need to clean other things in the data because it all really just made sense. Everything else makes sense. Not much else to clean because the data quality is already pretty well. Okay, so now we are going to examine the composition and apply filters. Let's unionize it first. So this was only the first thing, and obviously don't need this. So let's open, oh no, let's connect to our second piece of data, which is the last couple months. Here we go. And now we are going to drag this one into a union. And as you can see, well, it should already clean. Oh, okay, and then I will drag this one into union on the clean. Oh, that's not how you do it. So let's go ahead. Let's remove the clean real quick. Move. And then we're gonna drag this into the clean. Okay, well. And then, oh, bear with me, we're getting there. Drag the union. And add it. There we go. So that should clean both of our data sets and add them together. So transaction time, and let's just make sure that they are together, because we have, well, we have the 515. Oh, and then we have both of the tables here. So great. We joined some fields, unionized them, and we applied some transaction time. So what else do we need? We transformed, aggregated it, join, we did that, save flow, we will do that in a second. Let's filter our data. Now, I wasn't really sure what to filter this by, so I think we're gonna go ahead and filter it by discount. Add a filter step to your flow. So let's add let's filter the values. And we're going to go ahead and filter the values by less than 0 with a discount. Let's add another clean step. Let's call this one time fix. Let's call this one discounted transactions, to maybe look at the discounted transactions in the future. Okay, then we come here. Discounts. Oh, here. Filter. Range of values. Include 0. Well, I guess the minimum or the maximum is going to be, I guess, just negative 0.1. We do a range. I don't think there's that much. Let's just do a range. This. I'm sure no one got negative 100 discount on there. Done. So now we have all these things with all these discounts. So this is the final discounted one. Great. All right. So finally, we have examined the raw data. Here's the raw data. We have connected our data. 1, 2. We unionized our data. We examined. We fixed the time with the calculated fields, and then we filtered the data. Well, we cleaned and then filtered, so that's 3 and 4, and 5 we did, and now 6. Save and share your data flow. So let's go ahead and do that. Then we could output here. Run flow. Great, we are running this stuff. Oh, we don't want to do that. I forgot. I'm sorry. Very sorry. We want to save this as a CSV. Now we will run the flow, And let's replace the other one as my blah. Done. Where did that save to? Can I open that? Let's go ahead and open this, and let's just put this on my desktop for now. Now we can open it in Tableau. Safe flows, preview data, Tableau. Here's Tableau, file, open. Let's go to our desktop, and it's called output. Oh, we got everything here. Sheet 1. And let's just go ahead and look at simple things. Date. Date, and let's just look at net sales. Let's change this to day. Oh. Sorry. Something fell off my screen here. Let's change this to day. Okay. Interesting. Something's happening on the 12th. Month. Well, obviously this makes sense. People in December. Cold inside, want that warm coffee. May and July. Anyways, not really anybody there. School year starts. People stressed, going down. People stressed again. Here we go. Stress. Finals. You would expect midterm to be in there, but it looks like midterms are not important. The finals and summer are the big things here. So that is all I have. Let's stop recording and upload this. Thank you for watching. I've covered everything in this video, and again, thank you for watching.